Today we will learn how to host a static website on S3 bucket. I created two files, index.html and error.html. Okay. Now this is my file index.html. Since Google Chrome is my default browser, so that is why it is looking like this. If I click on this index.html, it shows a page static website hosting. My site is up and running. Now, if I click on error.html, it says static website hosting error site is down. Okay. Now, if you want to learn about how to create an HTML page, you just have to type Google HTML, and this is the site, which is very good site for learning HTML. You just right click, open in the new tab, and this explains you how to type a basic HTML. Okay. Now, okay, there's some internet issue. So, so this is the page. Just copy it and save the file as index.html and change the content accordingly. Now we'll log into the AWS console. So type AWS console login, click on this. Now the root user, I'm logging. Now in the search box, I will type S3, click on this. And I'll go to my bucket. Okay. Now this bucket, I'm inside the bucket, test AKI 567, and I'll go to the properties of the bucket. So you have a bucket versioning, different things are there. Default encryption, intelligent. Okay. And if you see the static website hosting, here it is. I click on edit button, I enable it, and host static website. And the index document is index.html, and error document is error.html. Okay. I am going to click on save changes. Done. So I have enabled the static website hosting. Successful added static website hosting. Now I'll go to objects, and I created two files, index and error. I'm going to upload that. Add files on my desktop. There are two files. Okay. Now I'll come upload and see it is succeeded. Click on exit, and I see all the files are there. Now I will first check the properties of the bucket. In the properties of the bucket, I have enabled the static website hosting and then uploaded two files. Now I will check the permissions. See, these two are off, so that if these are off, now I can make my object, that is the two files inside the bucket, as public. Okay, so I'll make both the files as public. Index.html, permissions, edit, and let me make it as public. Read. Select the checkbox. Save changes. Again, go to the bucket. Go to error.html. Go to permission, edit. I have given public access. And this is I'm doing on the object level, okay? On the file level, not on the bucket level. Save changes. Select this box, then click on save changes. Now it is done. Okay. Now to verify this, go to index.html. Okay. Now let's summarize what we have done. This is the bucket name. I go to the bucket properties, and inside the bucket properties, I have an option called static website hosting. Correct? I edited that, enable it. After enabling, I type my index document name is index.html, error document is error.html. Correct? And then save changes. After that, I have to upload two files because I'm pointing to index.html and error.html. How to prepare that file, I have explained it. Now, what I have to do is that in the properties, I have hosted a static website. This is my website name. My best website name actually starts with the bucket name dot s3 hyphen website dot ep south 1 hyphen 1 and amazon.aws.com. I will open this, paste it. See, static website hosting, my site is up and running. So what is the URL? URL is the bucket name dot s3 hyphen website ep south 1 amazon. Now what I'm going to do is that now see this page. Now I'm going to go object and I'm going to delete index.html. Delete. Correct? So permanently delete. Done. Now, if you see this, there's no index.html. Okay? And properties is facing and it is telling that static website hosting is enabled, add it, and it is pointing to index.html, error.html. So if index.html is not present, it will definitely fall back to error.html. See this. This is the URL. See this. My site is up and running. Now right click, reload. See, error, site is down. Static website hosting. This completes this lab. Thank you.